thinking about cutting back on alcohol? You're not alone. Reducing alcohol safely can improve your sleep, energy, mood, and overall health. But it's important to do it the right way. Today, we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide to reduce alcohol in a safe and sustainable way. Step 1. Assess your current drinking habits. Start by getting clear on how much and how often you drink. Keep a simple log for 1 week, noting drinks per day and situations where you tend to drink more. This awareness is the foundation for change. Step 2. Set realistic goals. Instead of saying, "I'll stop completely," try setting a goal like, "I'll limit myself to 3 drinks this week," or "I'll only drink on weekends." Setting realistic, measurable goals helps you stick with the plan. Step 3. Create alcohol-free days. Choose a few days each week to go completely alcohol-free. This gives your body time to reset and reduces your overall intake gradually. Step 4. Stay hydrated and nourished. Alcohol dehydrates and depletes nutrients. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water and eating nutrient-rich meals with lean protein, whole grains, and leafy greens to support your body as you cut back. Step 5. Swap alcohol with healthy alternatives. Try replacing your usual drink with sparkling water, herbal teas, or alcohol-free mocktails. These give you the ritual without the side effects. Step 6. Identify your triggers. Notice when you reach for a drink. Is it stress, social pressure, or boredom? Identifying your triggers helps you plan healthier coping strategies like movement, meditation, or calling a friend. Step 7. Build a support system. Tell a trusted friend or family member about your goals. Accountability makes it easier to follow through. You can also join support groups or online communities for encouragement. Step 8. Manage withdrawal symptoms carefully. If you drink heavily, reducing alcohol too quickly may cause withdrawal symptoms like anxiety, insomnia, or nausea. These can be serious, even dangerous. Always reduce gradually, and if you experience symptoms, seek medical support right away. Step 9. Celebrate progress, not perfection. Every step you take counts. Celebrate milestones like your first alcohol-free week, and don't beat yourself up over slip-ups. Progress is more important than perfection. Step 10. Know when to seek professional help. If you've tried cutting back and it feels overwhelming, or if withdrawal symptoms are strong, professional help is essential. Telehealth providers, addiction specialists, and counselors can guide you with safe, personalized strategies. Reducing alcohol isn't just about drinking less. It's about creating space for better sleep, energy, relationships, and long-term health. At SDKare, we understand that change is personal. Our telehealth providers support you with personalized plans for alcohol reduction, mental health, and overall wellness, all from the comfort of home. Don't wait for alcohol to control your health. Visit sdkare.com to connect with a provider who will listen, guide, and support your journey. SDKare. Simple, dedicated care, helping you cut back on alcohol, one safe step at a time.